us to see how the chalk production is done. So everything is done in measurements, as you saw the calculations that I showed you. So he's going to do the calculations and everything. He's going to use the POP and then some proportion of water combined, and he's going to use it to do the chalk right now. So as you can see, with the measurement that he has taken, so he's going to put it inside the machine now. Okay. Yeah.
So we have our measurement. The measurement has been taken, and I have another measurement for the water. Now here we go. POP into the water. That's the stirring process. Now,
so he's preparing the machine for production, as you can see.
Now we have to lubricate our machine. The use of the lubricant is to make the holes slippery for easy movement of the chalk. For easy removal of the chalk, because POP takes the shape of every container in which POP, when made with water, it takes the shape of the container within which it is. Wait for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, it will be done. Okay. So that is how I do it. Now that this, like if I were to be in production today, now that these two are filled, what I have to do is to push the machine. And prepare the other two, fix them, push the machine. So
the chalk is now dried and he's coming to remove it from the machine. Okay. So let's watch it.
Alright. You first of all take your jack out, turn the machine upside down. Yeah. Then we put our plate here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
That is the final one. I feel that there can be paid. You ready?
Yeah.
Wow. That is it. Then chalk is produced.
So we have our chalk right out. So I think I'll need one of this to write on my YouTube board.
That is it.
Okay, so guys, we'll be using this one to write on our board very soon.
Very good.
Of these chalks.
So now he's going to take the actual measurement of the direct produced chalk. The weight of, I think one of them is short. Johan, one of it. You change this one.
Outside for some time in the sun for it to dry.
Yes.
So right now is the drying process.
The drying process. And this one will take about 3 days.
This takes about 3 days to dry.
3 days to dry. On a hot day sun, it takes 3 days.
Wow.
3 days.
When the sun is hot.
Very hot, like.
So now we first calibrate. So it's 0. And then we measure the chalk piece by piece. So we make a notice of 1.674. Now then we go back. Take another one. .837. last one. .77767. And what we also do, I will not show every piece, but what we also can do is to look if the length of the chalk is approximately what we expect. Okay. So then we make notice of this one and say this one is a 7694. What Patrick can do is say, okay, he can with a formal also when we measure the dimension of the you have two thicknesses. You have this thickness, it's gone. Yeah. So you have this thickness, that's the 10.33, and then you take this one, 9.07. So then you say 10.233, and the other one was 9.07. Eh? With these things and the length of the chalk, you can calculate the volume. So you can always see if your production process is constant. If you have every time the same product.
Wow.
So that's what we are doing here.
Okay.
Yep. That's it.